You're not lazy. Let that sink in. You are not lazy. You've just been lied to by your school, your job, your parents, society, and worst of all, by you. They told you if you didn't wake up early, hustle nonstop, and stay productive, then you were just lazy. But I'm here to tell you, that label is garbage, and it's time to burn it. In this video, I'll break down why you've been lied to and give you 5 powerful actions to completely rewire how you think about motivation, effort, and success. And the last one, it's the one society never wants you to realize. Part 1, the lie. From day one, we're trained to meet expectations. Be a good student. Obey. Don't question. We sit still in chairs, follow bells, memorize things we'll never use. And if we fall behind, lazy. But think about it. Who defined that system? It wasn't built for creativity. It wasn't built for individuality. It was built for compliance. You didn't fail the system. The system failed you. But no one told you that. So you blamed yourself. You internalized every struggle, every off day, every dip in motivation, and you wore the word lazy like a tattoo on your soul. Part 2, you're not broken. Here's the truth. You are not broken. You're not unmotivated. You're mismatched. You've been trying to force yourself to perform in environments that suck the energy out of you. Tell me, how are you supposed to be productive when your job bores you, when your goals aren't yours, when you wake up already burned out? That's not laziness. That's your body saying, this isn't it. That's your mind saying, this path isn't yours. But we've been taught to ignore those signals, to keep pushing, grinding, faking, and then punishing ourselves when it all crashes. But if we actually stopped and listened, we'd hear the truth. Personal moment. I had a week once where I couldn't do anything. Nothing. I stared at my to-do list like it was written in another language. I thought, what's wrong with me? The guilt was eating me alive. But one night, it hit me. I wasn't avoiding the work. I was avoiding the pressure, the perfectionism, the judgment, and under all of that was a quiet voice saying, you don't have to live like this. That voice changed everything. Step 1, find your spark. Motivation isn't magic, it's alignment. When something aligns with your values, your curiosity, your energy, you don't need motivation, you need permission. So give yourself that. Make a list. 5 things that make you feel alive. Not productive, not impressive, just alive. Even if they seem random. That weird documentary rabbit hole you fell into, that moment you lost track of time writing something no one will read. That's the spark. Follow it. It's the way home. Step 2, redefine productivity. Productivity isn't a 12-hour grind. It's not how much you do. It's how much of you is in what you do. Rest can be productive. Healing can be productive. Saying no can be productive. You don't owe anyone your constant output. You owe yourself presence. Start defining success as energy well spent, not hours well logged. Because if your tank is empty, you're not living, you're just existing. Step 3, rewire your self-talk. Every time you catch yourself thinking, I'm lazy, stop, breathe, and say this instead, I'm not lazy, I'm out of alignment. Make it a ritual. Snap your fingers, clap, say it out loud, let your brain feel it. Because the brain runs on loops, and if you don't break the loop, it becomes a prison. This is how we build a new pattern, a new identity. Step 4, respect your energy. Your energy isn't constant, it's cyclical. You're not supposed to be on all the time. Nature has seasons. So do you. Some days you'll sprint. Other days all you can do is walk or just breathe. That's okay. Stop shaming your low days. Start learning from them. Ask, what is this moment asking of me? Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is pause. Break the final lie. Here's the lie they never want you to break, that your worth covers your output, that if you're not achieving, you're not enough. But listen closely. You are not your job. You are not your resume. You are not your to-do list. You are you. And that is enough. When you believe that, like really believe it, you stop performing for approval and start living for truth. And that's when real momentum begins. The end. You're not lazy. You've just been disconnected from your purpose, your rhythm, your truth. But now, you know better. And that knowing is power. So give yourself permission to move at your own pace, to follow what lights you up, to rest without guilt, to build a life that feels like yours, not one you have to escape from. If this message hit you, don't keep it to yourself. Like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear it. This is how we break the cycle. This is how we rebuild. Not with shame, not with hustle, but with truth.